Hello, Tech Savvy! Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to use Excel as your calculator. Excel is more than just a spreadsheet tool. It's a powerful calculator that can simplify your work and save time. In this video, we'll show you how to turn Excel into your go-to calculator. Open an Excel workbook and select a blank cell. Type the equals sign equals to initiate a formula. Enter a basic arithmetic operation, such as 5 plus 3, and press Enter. To perform subtraction, type equals 10 minus 4 and press Enter. For multiplication, type equals 6 times 2 and press Enter. To divide numbers, type equals 20/4 and press Enter. In our second example, select a blank cell of C5. Use the formula equals sum, parenthesis C1 colon C4 parenthesis, for summation and press Enter. For averages, type equals average, parenthesis C1 colon C4 parenthesis, and press Enter. Use equals max, parenthesis C1 colon C4 parenthesis, to find the highest value in a range. Use equals min, parenthesis C1 colon C4 parenthesis, to find the lowest value in a range. Select a blank cell for example D4 and explore the Auto Sum button for quick summation. Select the range and press Enter. Once you've practiced these steps, you'll realize how Excel transforms into an intuitive calculator that can handle everything from simple math to dynamic functions. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.